Precision International is proud to have been named a GM Supplier of the Year for 5 consecutive years by General Motors. Precision is in the bag.
Hey there, I'm Vinny Soviero and I'm with Precision International. I've been with the company for approximately 22 years now, and I am the Engineering Technical Manager. As the Engineering Technical Manager, I'm responsible for several components of this company, the main being the end product, which is our automatic transmission repair kits. It is my responsibility to oversee the development of new products as well as updating existing products. The company puts out new kits regarding transmissions, automatic transmissions for the most part. We'll do some transfer cases as well. But the automatic transmissions is the main responsibility of the company and my department. I have 5 engineers which are qualified in that they are either out of automotive background, engineering background, or both. That's how we would hire them, and then the experience comes on the job. Also, we have an ISO 9001-2008 certification. We're registered with Underwriters Laboratory, who comes in once a year and recertifies us. And another responsibility of the department is our application tables. The application tables are vehicle models, years, and engines, and how they apply to the kits that we produce. It's a complete table from Acura all the way down to Zephyr, which is a foreign application. So it's A to Z, a total listing of all the models that we make. Typically, it takes about 6 to 9 months to develop a kit from start to finish. Once we decide we're going to develop a kit, and by the time we produce it, our first run, it's about 6 to 9 months. Why is there such a range? Well, it all depends, as I explained earlier, the components, the complexity, the number of components in the kit, and the complexity of the components. Like I said, if it's O-rings and D-rings, they're very simple. There's a million vendors out there that can make those type of things. When it comes to molded components and odd-shaped components and things, it takes a certain quality, a certain vendor to make those things. And sometimes there are glitches at the beginning that they need to work out on the prototypes before they're finally approved. So, in summation, that's the responsibility of this department. In future videos, you will see our qualified engineers, experienced engineers in action performing many of the duties that I just explained.